Welcome to AMTdirect's Lease Administration Software Series. Today's video will be on the subject of multiple users in different locations. Many organizations and their team members are working remotely, shining a critical light on any internal processes or procedures that rely on one source of information. Even though we are halfway through the year 2020, many organizations are still working off master Excel spreadsheets to track their lease admin data. Excel spreadsheets were never designed to be accessed and updated by multiple people at the same time. And now with the new working standards and requirements, the risk of errors and data loss are at an all-time high. Even if you limit the number of people who are authorized to make updates to the spreadsheet, there still is the need to get lease data to accounting, facilities, project management, legal, and HR teams. With AMTdirect Lease Administration software, anyone can be given the access and update rights that they need. Unlimited users allow for as many users to be added as required with the appropriate security rights and approval authority. System classes give your team the ability to assign these individual users to their respective working group, making sure they have access to the correct data for their job role. Even outside vendors can be given access with detailed security controls. Entity classes allow for your lease portfolio to be segmented by asset types or any grouping requirement used by your organization. Your organization now has the system of record for all of your lease administration related information, giving your team the ability to access the data from anywhere at any time. Thank you for watching the Lease Administration Software Series from AMTdirect. Please reach out to us if you'd like to hear more or schedule a demo or contact one of our sales representatives. Thank you.